Hey guys, it's Josip. So let's jump onto the puzzle number 2. So this puzzle just asks for value. We don't need to provide any data. And as you can see on the right, there is a couple of new opcodes introduced in this puzzle. You'll see shortly it's a very simple and very straightforward puzzle, but we'll just go through it. So we'll just try inputting some kind of value and seeing the execution flow. Actually, for this puzzle, these opcodes are pretty straightforward, so we won't even go into the description. You will see everything. So the first opcode is call value. I think it's kind of obvious what this is doing. So here we're inputting 10 as a value. When we run this and execute the first opcode, it basically outputs A onto the stack. So it's just reading the value we're passing it, and it's outputting it onto the stack. Then we have the code size. This is also, I think, obvious. What's not maybe so obvious is how is the code size actually calculated. So let's just go through the execution. So in this case, the code size is also 10, since that is outputted on to the stack. But let's check what's the length here. I already inputted this, but so in this case, this has 20 characters. And here the code size is 10. If you check through all of the opcodes, they actually have like two characters. In case of some of the opcodes, you need to specify both the opcode and then the value you're, for instance, for push, you need to like specify both of them. But in this case, we have like 10 opcodes, totally 20 characters. Then we have this sub, so this is just taking two values from the stack and basically subtracting them. So this will be 0, and then we have our good old jump, which needs to jump to the position number 6 in order not to cause a revert. In this case, this will just take 0, so will actually cause a revert. So I think the puzzle is pretty straightforward. When we subtract these two values, we should get 6. Since the code size is 10, I think this is clear. The call value should be 4. Okay, let's try it. And yeah, the execution is successful. Thanks for watching. This was very simple, very straightforward, and see you in the next puzzle.